my sweet learners. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are safe at your home. And you all are enjoying online session too. So, do you remember in previous videos we have discussed which blend words? Yes, we have discussed, we have learned BR, BL, CR, CL and DR blend words. Okay? But today we are going to learn another blend. Are you excited to know which blend we are going to learn? Okay, so you all are excited. So today we are going to learn FRA blend. Okay? So today we are going to learn about FRA blend words. When F and R comes together, they make sound of FRA. Okay, the sound of F is, sound of R is, when they both come together, they make sound of FRA. Okay, so today we are going to learn about FRA blend. But I'm going to tell you about FRA blend in an interesting way. I will tell you a story about FRA land. There is a FRA land where all the people's names start with FRA blend. Okay, so are you excited to listen to this story?
Welcome
Okay, so
to
you
the
all are
FRA
excited.
land.
So let's
This
start.
is the story of the FRA land. FRA land is a beautiful place with frozen white mountain and fresh water river. In a FRA land, FRA family lives in a small, very clean house. The family has 4 members: Papa Frank, Mama Fran, and their 2 children, Fred and Freda. They are fraternal twins. You know what are the fraternal twins? Fraternal twins look different from each other. They both are 6 years old. They both are good friends. Fred is a short boy with curly hair, while his sister Freda is little taller with frizzy hair, who is wearing a beautiful frock with lots of frills. Today, Fred and Freda are making picture frame for their friend Frankie, as it is his birthday on this Friday. They both are decorating the frame with Frankie's favorite things. They have put all the picture of his favorite things in it. Both the kids are very hungry while they are making picture frame for their friend Frankie. Their mother is cooking in the kitchen and they are looking for some food. They opened the fridge with the dirty hands. What do they see there? A delicious frozen pie. But Mama asked them to wash their hands with soap and have the frozen pie. So the kids have washed their hand first and then they have that delicious pie. But they both are still hungry. So they asked Mama to make some crispy French fries. But Mama says that French fries are not good for their health. She gives them some fresh fruits. So they taken one fruit each and run back to finish their frame. Now new frame is ready to wrap. They have also written friend's name there. So they have made this beautiful picture frame for their friend Frankie. Fred and Freda love their grandparents. They respect them. They care for them. And They love them very much. So this is the story of Fräulein.
Students, here I am going to talk about Fräulein. Fräulein is a beautiful place. There is a mountains, there is a fresh waters. That's a beautiful land. There is a family. They are four: brother, sister, mother, father. Okay. So name of brother sister is Fred and Freda. Name of father is Frank. Name of mother is Fran. So all the people's name is starting with Fräulein. Okay. So Fred and Freda are fraternal twins. Do you know what are the fraternal twins? Let me tell you. Fraternal twins, they don't look like each other. Okay, वो एक जैसे नहीं दिखते हैं. They are twins but they don't look like each others. But twins look like each other. Twins जो होते हैं वो एक जैसे दिखते हैं, but fraternal twins जो होते हैं वो एक जैसे नहीं दिखते हैं. Okay, so they are living in a Fräulein, that is a beautiful place, और जो बर्फ से ढका हुआ है, फ्रीज है. Okay, and Fred and Freda, they both are preparing photo frame for their friend Frank. Okay, so while preparing photo frame, they feel hungry. उनको भूख लग जाती है. And they went to the kitchen. Their mother is cooking some food, and they open the fridge with a dirty hand. वो अपने गंदे हाथों से फ्रिज को ओपन करते हैं. Then their mother said first go and wash your hand. So their mother said first wash their hand, then eat something. So they go to the washroom, they wash their hand, then they eat delicious pie. Okay, but they are still hungry. After eating pie, they are still hungry. उन्हें अभी भी भूख लगी है. They want French fries. They said their mother that we want French fries. So uh, their mother told him that French fries are not good for health. So go have some fresh fruits. Okay. So they go and they have some fruits and they eat. So you can see, students, in the story you can find many Fräuleins. There are many Fräuleins. Okay. Students, have you observed in the story that Fred and Freda, they follow some good habits also. वो कुछ उनकी कुछ अच्छी हैबिट्स भी हैं. लाइक दे आर फ्रेंड्स, दे डोंट फाइट with each other, they love each other, they share things, and they respect their elders, they care for them, they love them. And when they were hungry, they went to their mother, and when their mother said go and wash their hands, so they go to the washroom and they washed their hands. So they listen to their mother. Okay, so this is the story, students. I hope you all have liked it, and you all have loved Fräulein. And now what you will have to do, you will practice these Fräuleins. You can write these Fräuleins in your notebook, and read these Fräuleins with the sound. Okay, students, now it's time to say bye bye. Bye bye, all of you.